Yo, what's going on, my people? HumidityLiquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. So today, gonna be trading the S&P. So right now, looking at this 5-minute fair value gap, marked it out on the 1 minute. So we currently have this fair value gap. I'm looking to sell for 5 points. So why am I selling? If we look at order flow, currently we've taken this high over here, we've broken structure, and then into the 5-minute, we have this breaker right here, and then the price tapped into the breaker and rejected, and then this fair value gap that I'm looking at is turning into a balanced price range. We're trading through it, and I'm leaning towards price taking out a form of sell side liquidity. So this low is what I'm looking at currently, and even this low. So these two lows is what I'm looking at. So yeah, there's a take profit right there. And today I haven't taken any trades. If we look over here, so move that. Did not take any trades today. Executions are on right here, but yeah, no trades taken today at all, apart from this sell right here. And now a close below this low will allow me to have another entry. So I'm just going to watch it on the 30-second. So if we look at the 30-second, price has come to this fair value gap and is rejecting off that. So I'm going to give it another sell entry right there to continue on down here. So yeah, price was close to going to the open, the weekly open. Maybe on ES it tapped it. Let's have a look. Let's just go to the 30-minute. Just gonna mark this area out. Okay, so it didn't reach it. So yeah, it didn't reach it over here. It didn't reach the gap, the opening gap, which is around this. Maybe it did reach it on this chart, but on the other chart it's something like this. So I'm gonna keep it like that. But yeah, we didn't reach the opening gap, but we did take out a form of buy side, which is up here. Took this area, and we can use that as our area. Price took another area of liquidity, broke structure, and then that breaker block, price tapped in and is running away from it. So yeah, let's keep this clean right there. And now we're looking at this old fair value gap, this balanced price range right here. Okay, so we see price starting to reject here. We don't want to see that, but we don't have any SMTs to the upside. Looking at this low has been taken out on all of the indices, so we should continue on lower, and we should see price disrespect this balanced price range. Here price traded through the balanced price range, went up, and then traded through it once again. So this is more of a confirmation to continue on going lower, and here just aiming for around 5 points. So to make sure, 5 points is at 48 pretty much. So the bodies of this candle right here, of these candles, this area. So that's what I'll be looking to take majority profits. But yeah, over here, I'm gonna take some profits down here with 263 right there. So here we don't want to see price close above this balance price range. If it does, then it's invalidated, and then I can look for buys in that case. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so it looks like probably getting stopped out here. So I can look for a buy in this case potentially. Looking at the 1 hour, 15 minute, this is 2 minutes into the 15-minute candle. So here I'm going to enter, since we filled it right there, and then on the close of this candle I'll enter again if it's an up close. So let's see. So here, 8 seconds left on the candle. Let's see if we're violating the balance price range and making it an alter fair value gap. Okay, there we go. Entered again. Right here. Okay, so now that this fair value gap using this fair value gap, traded through, and we came down to this order block right here. But when looking at this fair value gap, price filled it. Price filled it down here, but kept rejecting over here. And then over here went back up to fill it and closed above. So here are my 2 entries. Okay, and now 5 points take profit. Or let's go 6 points right here. Right before buy side liquidity. Okay, now this breaker block, I'm not going to be looking at that anymore. We have this fair value gap, but I'm not looking for price to continue on lower since the down move is already done. This whole down move over here was just to take out this low right here. As you can see, let's mark that out right there. So yeah, right here, no longer looking for sell side. Let's remove these. Price came to tap this area. Let's have a look. That 4-minute order block, 3-minute order block, 2-minute order block, 1-minute order block. And then if we look at the 15-second, we can see from this area to here, this fair value gap, we have rejected that. But we do have the potential to come down into this area. So I'm going to give it up until 45 or 44 right there, but price should not. Okay, and as we move up, just gonna add right here, $5.8, and then I'm just aiming for these equal highs. on the lower time frame, and then there's also equal highs above here. So if this is an up close, we should not be coming back down to this area here. But yeah, I can aim for up here. So I'll keep my take profit up here, and then I'll take some partials at 5 points, which is right here. So yeah, once I get here, partials will be taken. So here, 50% partials pretty much will be taken at this 5 points level, and then the rest will be taken up here. I want to see price start running around this time. And here, what do we see price go into? This order block right here that I just marked out. We're going to see price start rejecting and move with speed for the next 15 minutes before 4 o'clock. But yeah, you see price rejecting this order block. So I could enter, could give it another entry, but I'm gonna just leave it to play out. So yeah, here, current history. Just took that loss just now, and now looking for the buy. Price has proven itself to be wanting to go for buy side liquidity. And yeah, 3 entries right here. Use this fair value gap to earn time, and look how price comes into it over here. Pretty nice. So yeah, price being led to buy side, 5 points, 50%, and then the 7 points take profit. Where there's equal highs should be the take profit where their drawn liquidity has been taken. So yeah, if you also use the idea from ICT where you want to be entering from 3:15 to 3:45, this is where you set entry timer. And then the micro where price starts pushing with some speed, which is from 3:45 to 6 o'clock. This is the time you're going to see price push with speed. So yeah, once we come up into this area, or once we finish at 3:45, the entry time, we shall move with sheer speed in this time. I'm looking for price to move with extreme speed after we fill this fair value gap over here. So once this fair value gap is filled, let me mark it out with this. Once this area is filled, I want to see price move with some speed. So yeah, right there. So here we're getting this retracement to this fair value gap. Then once we come up to this red line. I want to see price go and launch with speed. And boom, lovely jubbly. So here, after we filled this fair value gap, what happened? Price took 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes to go up there. I wanted to see a bit more speed, but it's all good. We did achieve the target. And let's look at the history right there. These are the trades taken today. If you look, 31st. And yeah, simple stuff right here. Hope this was insightful. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.